In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tax rates for bills in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the settings you need. This setup process is quick, but it's important to enter each detail carefully so your billing stays accurate. From the left sidebar, click Settings. This is where Clio Manage stores your firm-wide configuration options, including billing preferences and tax settings. After that, select Billing and then open the Taxes tab. The Taxes tab is the area where you can create and manage the tax rates that will later be available when preparing bills and invoices. Next, click Create Tax Rate. This will open the form where you can define the new tax setting. Start by entering a tax name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if your firm works with more than one tax rate. A descriptive label will make it easier to select the correct option when creating bills. After that, enter the tax rate as a percentage. Be sure to type the percentage accurately, since this value will affect invoice totals. Even a small mistake here can change the final amount on a bill, so it's worth double-checking before you continue. Now select the country where the tax applies. This helps ensure the tax rate is associated with the correct jurisdiction. If applicable, choose the appropriate region as well. Depending on your location, regional tax settings may be necessary to make sure billing aligns with local requirements. Once all the information is filled in, click Create Tax Rate to save the new tax rate. At this point, the tax rate will be added to your available billing options inside Clio Manage. When you're creating or editing a bill, you can then select this new tax rate to apply it to the invoice. This is the step that puts your setup into action. As you prepare a bill, look for the tax rate field and choose the one you just created so the correct tax is included on the invoice. As a final tip, it's a good idea to review the bill after applying the tax rate to confirm the totals look correct before sending it out. Taking a moment to verify everything can help prevent billing errors and save time later. Thanks for watching.